There's somebody in there too. Oh man, that's right. We have the haunted oaks, folks. Dang, she scared me. Looking good. And she got a little doll over here. Oh my goodness, it's the butcher. He looking good. They got bacon? Oh, she got hugs. She got hugs the clown. All right, but it's opening today throughout the entire month, well, the remaining month of September and throughout October. So that's another fun perk here in Rolling Oaks Mall. There's my buddy there. How you doing, sir? A zombie fist bump. Oh, he almost got me though, man, for reals. All right, check it out. We're open for business right now, I believe. Yeah, and there's Joey Devine over there. All right, Joey and Matt are gonna, let me take a look.
Hey, so we're doing a safety check right now.
All right. Oh, look at this. All right, first looks, folks. This thing opens up today and it says, hell is hero for you. If you want to be a hero, you come in here and be a hero. If you want to be a scaredy cat, come on in, be a scaredy cat. I like this. This really looks really inviting. I mean, as you enter right now. I can't breathe. I ain't going there with that one, man. I'll keep that to myself. Oh, look at this. We got like little Jesus dude on the cross right here. We got a mirror. So I got an exclusive look before the scare actors get into place. Look at this, man. We got like the Reaper right here. I feel fear. And I'm going slow, like nobody better than not jump out on me. Somebody going to jump out and scare me. What? Oh yeah, man, this is a tight fit. You can hold on to your buddies and partners and everybody. This is nice. This is a lot different than last year. Well worth it. And like I said, you could take Horrific Pix afterwards. So there's like a 2-for-1 deal. Oh, look at this. We got some Motley Crue over here going on. Shout out to Devil. We got a 666 Slayer. Oh, we got some haunted dolls. I think these might be, these dolls look so familiar. We donated all these dolls. My wife's gonna trip when she sees this. But yeah, we donated all these. Look at this. That is spooky as all hello. And I got a lot more dolls to donate to you guys. So hopefully I'll get to it this week and bring it to you. This is so cool. Whoa. I'm actually kind of freaked out by myself, you know. I feel like I'm urban exploring here. It's some tight fits in here, man. Which makes it more eerie and scary. Whoa. And I'm like on my self-guided tour. So nobody better not get me. I ain't playing. I ain't playing at all. Oh shit. So that's a spot I'm sure somebody will pop out. Yeah, there's a hole right there. Oh, look at this. Oh, strobe warning. This affects you guys. Oh, check that out. That is radical, man. This is rad. This is, oh my lordy. That's kind of creepy though. Woo. It got me dizzy up in here. I better get out before I strobe light myself. Look at this, man. Spooky. Oh, now we're going to another dark area. This is way better than last year. Oh shit, this is so cool. Just imagine with scare actors in here and hanging out with your friends, screaming. And this is my type of thing right here. I love this kind of stuff right here. Like an abandoned place and whoa, sick. I am going slow, like I'm scared. I ain't playing, nobody better not jump out and get me at the back end. Oh, we even got some fog up in here and everything. Oh, Joey, Matt, you guys, Noah, this is sweet. This is way better than last year. And we don't have scare actors either. Not yet, at least. Look at this, man. This is radical. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I dig this. Whoa. This is gnarly. They really put this together. They hanging on a noose. Shit. School kills in the 2020 era. I like this though, man. I can imagine the scare actor that's in here. It's a nice little feel. Oh my, we keep going. Check this out. What? Look at this. Killer clowns. Oh, there's a lot of bald spots, so I could probably bring some more stuff in here for you guys. That is really gnarly. I like that. It's subtle and eerie. All right, so we're going, this is probably bloody and gore. Yes, yes, yes. Look at this, folks. Come on down to Haunted Oaks at the Rolling Oaks Mall. Bring your friends, bring your family, bring your loved ones, bring somebody you hate and leave them behind. This is solid. This is solid, guys. Whoa. It's like an old farmhouse type thing. Got rakes and shit. Some beans and... Yes. Oh, man. This is lasting a long time, too. Look at that. More strobes. Oh, is this the bathroom area? Oh no, this is like an insane asylum bit. I'm sure some scare actors slamming up against the walls here. This is wicked.
Oh, sorry.
All right, so we got some more here. They're working on a technical issue, but hey, they're gonna fix that. We know that. And look at this, man. We got that bloody old kitchen here. That's an old Maytag. Or maybe a Sears, who knows? Sears and Roebucks. Oh yeah. Just keep on moving, keep on moving forward. Oh, sheesh Louise. I thought somebody was actually coming out. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but that was my own shadow or reflection in a mirror. Yes, this is awesome, guys. All right, folks. You have this at the mall here at Rolling Oaks. And we still got lots more to go through, I guess. I thought we was getting close to the end. We ain't there yet. This is the sideshow freaks. All right. I'm sure somebody could be in here. I ain't messing with that. Look at this dude over here. He's all twisted and discombobulated. Oh my God, look at that. Shit, he looks real. Look at that, guys. I don't know if the camera's picking this up, but he looks real as hell. And then we got a chair and a refrigerator, or a wheelchair, dead end. And I think we might be coming to the end here, which is pretty cool with these lights. And exit. Solid. Solid. All right, folks, you come to Rolling Oaks Mall and you might leave a leg behind or two. This was cool. And then let's see if any changes went in the Horrific Pix. All right, so that's still the same. Small changes in here. Nah. But we got the bunny rabbit. And this is still the same from the last time we were here. And they don't have the light, the cloud lightning going, but that was a really cool area. And you could come and take pictures here with all these props right after you get out of the hunt. I love that one. Y'all can read it. And this was the one they were working on last time, but I think they scrapped that one and went ahead and just did this, which is really neat too. It's kind of like just like a witch's whatever. I can't even say. And then we have the Santa sleigh, which is cool. Ho ho ho, no no no. And I love this room. This one's the coolest. This is where they scared me last time, man. I don't. What was that sound? Was that like a toilet flushing? It sounds like somebody's taking a dump. And then we have this. This looks good. And then a mirror over here. Yeah, this is really cool. It's all cracked and stuff like that. Yeah, definitely cool. See, and that's all you do is you come and take pictures like this inside our horrific scenery, just like she's doing with her head staff over there. her staff, her employees. And this is my favorite room. I love this room. This is just so cool. Simple, plain, abstract, cartoonish. I dig it. Y'all dig it? All right. Oh, and she fell for it.
Gotcha.
Gotcha.
Hey, what's up, Cody?
Hey, my man.
Hey, bro. Hey, you see my videos? I got 55,000 views on my videos already. I got over 100,000 views on the videos I just recently posted.
You just keep doing it. Keep doing it. Keep doing it. And then it's you. Then it's you.
I learned from you, though.
Yeah,
from you.
But see, I'm old and retiring soon.
You planted the seed, bro.
Yeah, I know, right? The seed of Chucky. Here we got Chucky right there.
Look, I redid that one myself.
Oh my God.
Check my hat.
Oh, dude, that is sweet. That is sweet. Dang.
I did that myself.
Nice. All right, you guys have fun.
No problem. Nice seeing you again.
You guys rock. That new setup is sweet.
You know what would be more sweet? Your corpse.
A corpse. I know. Get Pennywise. Corpse him.
I'm better.
I can hang out here all day now. This is so fun. That little boy's like, I ain't having none of that. Uh-oh. It's a face-off. We got, oh, well, no, Jeepers Creepers went the other way. He got scared. Couldn't handle the heat. All right, folks, so make sure you come to Horrific Pix and the Haunted Oaks here at the Rolling Oaks Mall. She's scared of birds. She's a scare actor, but scared of birds.
That's your daddy. Say hi to your dad. No, that's your dad.
She ain't having it. That's hilarious.
He's scared.